Our respected PGO sir, Rajendra Kumar Reddy sir garu, good afternoon sir. Our convener sir, Somsekar sir garu, good afternoon sir. Once again, my dear students, good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, the third chapter, in our 10th class ma. In previous class, we learned about the following topics: matchstick stethoscope activity, label the internal parts of the heart, location of the heart, types of chambers, types of valves, types of blood vessels. In these topics we learned in previous class. Today I am going to teach about the following new topics: the human heart. What is the main role of the human heart? Functions of the heart, importance of the heart, internal structure of the mammalian heart lab activity, internal structure of the heart. Okay, I explained the once again what is the main role of human heart. The main functions are there. In all already we learned about in previous class also what is the heart, what is the definition of the heart, how many chambers are there, how many valves are there, how many blood vessels are there. These are all we learned in previous class ma. Today once again I recall in this slide, the heart is a muscular organ located between the lungs in the center of the chest is called as thorax. Already we know in our body two divided parts are there. Upper part we said thoracic cavity, lower part it say like the abdomen. The thoracic cavity is a two lungs are there. Two lungs in the center point is there. It located from the heart. Okay, the heart is the size of fist. We know one fist like that is size of heart is fist, fist. Okay, the heart pumps blood continuously around the body. The heart, the main work is pumps the blood continuously, non-stopping, continuously around the body. In our body structure is the all living organisms. Internally, so many organs are there. Every organ internally, so many cells are there. Everyone, every part of the every part of in this the process it pumps the blood continuously around the body. Okay, organism can lose the consciousness within just a few seconds if the brain is deprived of the blood. We know once you just consciousness, you lost the consciousness, you just feel unconsciousness. That time the blood flow also just deprived from the brain is the blood also deprived. Internally the brain it is deprived of the blood. అంటే ఒక నిమిషం అక్కడ ఏం జరుగుతుందంటే నిర్విరామంగా రక్తము ప్రసరణ అనేది మన శరీరంలో ఉన్నటువంటి అన్ని భాగాలకు సరఫరా చేసేటప్పుడు ఒక క్షణం నువ్వు అన్కాన్షియస్ లోకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు కూడా ఆ ఒక క్షణం ఆగి అక్కడ తిరిగి అది ఏం చేస్తుందంటే తిరిగి కాన్షియస్ లోకి వచ్చిన వెంటనే ఆ రక్త ప్రసరణ కొనసాగించబడుతుంది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఫీటిసెస్ మ్యామ్. ఇన్ ఫీటిసెస్ దట్ మీన్స్ అన్బోర్న్ బేబీ. అంటే గర్భంలో పిండము వృద్ధి అయినప్పుడు దానికి ఉన్నటువంటి అంటే ఇంకా ఎటువంటి ఆర్గాన్స్ లేకుండా అంటే ఇంకా బేబీ ఇంకా తన యొక్క ఆర్గాన్స్ నేవి లేకుండా ఉన్నటువంటి ఆ పిండంని మనం ఇక్కడ ఫీటిసెస్ అంటాం. In fetuses, the heart begins beating about 5 to 6 weeks after conception. అంటే ఒక తల్లి గర్భంలో పిండము వృద్ధి అయినప్పుడు ఆ యొక్క చిన్న పిండం కూడా ఆ హార్ట్ బీట్స్ అనేది 5 to 6 weeks లోనే హార్ట్ బీట్ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. అంటే మీ వితౌట్ ఎనీ ఆర్గాన్స్. The mother it has a fetuses stage. The fetuses also it begins heartbeats from just like the period of the 5 to 6 weeks of that period of time. That time also the fetuses also it began heartbeats. ఆ చిన్న పిండం కూడా అది పిండముగా ఉన్నప్పుడే 5 to 6 వీక్స్ లో అది వృద్ధి అయ్యేటప్పుడే దాని యొక్క హార్ట్ బీట్ బిగాన్ అయిపోతుంది, అంటే దాని యొక్క హార్ట్ బీట్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ద మెయిన్ రోల్ ఆఫ్ ద హ్యూమన్ హార్ట్. కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ మా? షల్ ఐ మూవ్ టు నెక్స్ట్ స్లైడ్?
Okay, madam.
Okay. What is the main stages of the heartbeat? We know one heartbeat is completion of one diastole and one systole. Once completion of the diastole, once completion of the systole is called as completion of one heartbeat. We know already we learned in previous class also that diastole refers to when the heart muscles relaxed. Diastole means relaxation. And next, the systole is when the heart is contracted. That means contraction. Once relaxation, once contraction is called as completion of one heartbeat. Okay, can you able to understand, ma?
Madam.
In this heartbeat, the mainly during the cardiac cycle, ma. What is the cardiac? Already in our heart covered cardiac muscle. In this muscle also it shows the diastole and systole. Once the relaxation, that means once contraction, once relaxation. Once the contraction, one relaxation, the both the process it completion of one heartbeat. Okay, ma? In this heartbeat, that time the during some stages of the cardiac cycle. One is the cycling process in non-stopping, the continuous process, ma. In this process also continuously. The first, the blood enter the heart. The first function is enter the heart. The heartbeat, the first function is enter the heart. But next is the blood is pumped to the ventricles. Already we know what is the ventricles.
The part of the 4 chambers, madam.
Very good. The ventricles also one part of the chamber of ventricle. Very good, Moshmita. Next, blood is pumped from the heart. In this process also, it's during the heartbeat. Already, heartbeat is completion of the one diastole and one systole is called as heartbeat. The heartbeat that time, the heartbeat shows that time the completion of the cardiac cycle also. That time the blood enters the heart and the blood pumped from the heart and blood is pumped to the ventricles also. Okay, this is the main stages of the heartbeat, ma. Can you able to understand in this slide, ma? Shall I move to next slide?
Okay, madam.
Okay, ma.
Yes, madam.
What is the functions of the heart? The mainly already we know in the previous class also we learned in the lot of what is the functions, what is the structures, what is the heart, how many types of internal, so many compounds of their hearts. These are all learned in the previous classes also, ma. But in this slide, I explained what is the functions of the heart. The center of the cardiovascular system. Cardiovascular system is inside of the heart. The heart working is thoroughly that say the system is called as cardiovascular system. Cardiovascular system, the main center part is heart. Okay. Next, it connects blood vessels that transport blood between the heart and other body tissues. We know in all living organisms internally so many tissues are there. The tissue, the cells or so many cells made up of tissue. The tissues are made up of organs. Okay, internally the blood vessels transport blood from the heart and other parts of the body around the all in the blood body tissues like that. Okay, the blood vessels are already The blood vessels are arteries, veins, capillaries. Already learned in previous class. The arteries carry blood away from the heart. Arteries, blood away from the heart. That means heart నుంచి మిగిలిన
Blood.
అన్ని భాగాలకు రక్తాన్ని సరఫరా చేస్తుంది. That means the artery is the main part of in our heart. The artery is the one kind of blood
Madam?
vessel. Sir,
మేడం
sir,
ఇదే స్లైడ్ కనపడలేదు. స్లైడ్ కనపడలేదు మేడం, మీరు షేర్ చేయండి. స్లైడ్స్ కనపడలేదు.
కనిపించట్లేదా ఇలియాస్ సార్?
కనిపిస్తుంది.
కనపడుతుందా?
కౌష్మిత
ఇక్కడ పీర్
కనిపిస్తుందా?
కనిపిస్తుంది
మేడం.
రవితేజ కనిపిస్తుందమ్మా?
కనిపిస్తుంది మేడం.
సరే,
నవ్య?
ఓకే.
కనిపెడతాను మేడం. సార్ తులసి సార్ కనిపిస్తుందా?
మేడం సరే ఉండి మేడం చెప్పండి. నాకు కనపడలేదు.
నవ్య are you visible to my slides? నవ్య are you visible? ఓకే
కనిపిస్తుంది మేడం.
ఓకే మా ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ. నెక్స్ట్ already the blood vessels are arteries and veins are capillaries ma. The arteries also carry blood away from the heart. హార్ట్ నుంచి అన్ని భాగాలకు అన్ని శరీర భాగాలకు ఇక్కడ క్యారీ చేస్తుంది బ్లడ్ ని. సేమ్ లైక్ దట్ ద వెయిన్స్ ఆల్సో క్యారీ బ్లడ్ బ్యాక్ టు ద హార్ట్. అంటే రిమైనింగ్ బాడీ పార్ట్స్ నుంచి బ్లడ్ ని ఎక్కడ తీసుకెళ్తుంది అంటే వెయిన్స్ హార్ట్ కి తీసుకెళ్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ టువర్డ్స్ అండ్ అవే. This is the main role of the functioning of the arteries and veins. Already we know arteries carries the oxygenated blood.
blood.
Veins carry the deoxygenated blood. This is keep on your mind, ma. Please not confusion these arteries and veins. Okay, arteries carry blood oxygen high in oxygen. Already we know oxygenated blood carry the arteries. Is like that in this slide observe except for pulmonary arteries. Say what is the pulmonary arteries? Already I will give explanation. Veins carry blood low in oxygen ma. Arteries lo emo oxygen is level of high. Veins low oxygen level is low. That means the arteries carry oxygenated blood. Veins carry deoxygenated blood. We know oxygen means manchi raktamu, deoxygen means chedu raktamu. Okay. What is that? In this slide, we give some explanation of this except for pulmonary artery, except for pulmonary vein in the bracket. Why even in the giving this bracket? I give some explanation, ma. Arteries is one kind of pulmonary arteries there, ma. But pulmonary artery carry deoxygenated blood, ma. Don't confusion. Keep on your mind. Please give your concentration also. What is the artery? What is the pulmonary artery? Artery carry the oxygenated blood. Pulmonary artery carry the deoxygenated blood. Okay, ma? What is the different date we observed in this slide, ma? What is the arteries? What is the pulmonary arteries? Pulmonary arteries is one kind of arteries, you know. The arteries also carry the oxygenated blood, but the pulmonary artery only carry the deoxygenated blood, ma. Okay. Next, veins also it carry the deoxygenated blood. Same like that, one kind of pulmonary veins also carry the oxygenated blood. Okay, ma? Can you able to understand in this what is the differentiate between the arteries and pulmonary artery? What is the veins and what is the pulmonary veins? We observed in this slide in the what is the differentiate between these arteries and veins and pulmonary artery and pulmonary veins, ma? Can you able to understand? What is the main role of pulmonary artery and pulmonary veins? Already the pulmonary arteries and pulmonary veins are connecting with the heart to lungs, ma. ఇక్కడ హార్ట్ నుంచి లంగ్స్ కి రక్తాన్ని సరఫరా చేసేటప్పుడు మాత్రమే నీకు ఇక్కడ పల్మనరీ ఆర్టరీ, పల్మనరీ వెయిన్స్ అనేవి ఇక్కడ ఇట్ హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది. ఇట్ హెల్ప్స్ టు కనెక్ట్ బిట్వీన్ ది హార్ట్ టు లంగ్స్. Okay, can you able to understand? Already in our heart, it has carried the arteries oxygenated blood ma. నీ హార్ట్ నుంచి మంచి రక్తాన్ని ఏం చేస్తుంది, ఆర్టరీస్ అన్ని బాడీ పార్ట్స్ కి క్యారీ చేస్తుంది, అంటే పుష్ చేస్తుంది, పంపింగ్ చేస్తుంది. వెయిన్స్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, ఆల్ బాడీ పార్ట్స్ నుంచి తీసుకొచ్చి హార్ట్ కి పంపిస్తుంది. అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏం జరుగుతుంది అంటే దట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్లీ pulmonary artery and pulmonary veins also main role it play the artery. The pulmonary artery carry the deoxygenated, pulmonary vein it carry the oxygenated. It through the, that means it send to lungs ma. That is the main role of in this heart, that means the pulmonary artery and pulmonary veins. Okay ma, what is the difference between in this pulmonary artery, pulmonary veins? Can you able to understand all of you?
Yes, madam.
Okay ma. Next, arteries and veins also kind of blood vessels. The arteries and veins entering and leaving the heart are called great vessels ma. The arteries and veins, the already in your heart is there now. The arteries and veins also it carry the blood towards and away. That means entering and leaving. రక్తాన్ని తీసుకుని వెళ్తుంది, రక్తాన్ని తోస్తుంది, అంటే తీసుకుని వెళ్తుంది, తిరిగి రీపంపింగ్ చేస్తుంది. దట్ మీన్స్ ఎంటరింగ్ అండ్ లీవింగ్. వెళ్తుంది, తిరిగి వస్తుంది, వెళ్తుంది, వస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద సర్క్యులేట్ ఇన్ ద కంటిన్యూస్లీ ద ప్రాసెస్ ఇట్ మెయింటైన్స్ ద దిస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ గ్రేట్ వెసల్స్ ఆఫ్ బ్లడ్ వెసల్స్. Okay ma, can you able to understand? Shall I move to next slide? Already in picture also we identify the artery and vein ma. Red color indicates artery. Already we know arteries carry the oxygenated blood. Veins also indicate the color is blue. That means the veins carry the deoxygenated blood. Okay ma, can you able to understand in this slide? Shall I move to next slide ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay ma. Next, what is the main importance of the heart? Heart is to pump the blood through the blood vessels of the circulatory system. We know the circulatory system, the main organ is called as heart. Already, the respiratory system in this previous chapter, the main organ is lungs. In this chapter, the circulatory system is the main organ is called as heart. Okay, this blood provides oxygen ma. Already, blood it provides oxygen, same like that it removes the metabolic wastes also. All of the blood, the functioning is provides oxygen, same that time removes the metabolic wastes also. Okay, the heart is located in between the lungs and middle compartment of in your chest. Okay ma, in already you have a two lungs are there. The middle is located from the heart in left side ma. Okay ma, can you able to understand in this slide also?
Yes, madam.
Shall I move to next slide?
Okay, madam.
Okay ma, this is very important topic, internal structure of the mammalian heart. What is the mammalian? What is the mammals? We know animals are divided two classes ma. Animals also one kind of living organisms. Okay, animals are divided two categories ma. One is vertebrates and other one is non-vertebrates. Vertebrate is called as it has a backbone or vertebral column. Is called the animals is categorized say the vertebrates are chordates. Same like that, does not have a vertebral column or backbone. These animals undertaking to the category of non-vertebrates and non-chordates. వెన్నెముక కల జీవులు, వెన్నెముక లేనటువంటి జీవులు, that is the backbone or vertebral column. It say the vertebral column or backbone is has a animals, it say the vertebrates or chordates. does not have a vertebral column and a backbone, a vertebral column or backbone, is called as non-vertebrates or non-chordates. This is the main clauses of animals. Okay, the vertebrate columns undertaking to the one category of the mammals. Okay, ma. Mammals also high categorized animals. High categorized animals. That means given the young ones, ma. Given the birth to young ones. పిల్లలకు డైరెక్ట్ గా కానీ పిల్లలకు పాలిచ్చి పెంచేటువంటి జీవులను అంతా కూడా అవన్నీ కూడా మనకు మెమ్మల్స్ కిందకు వస్తుంది. The animals also given the birth of young ones and give the feed of milk is called as it say the mammals. Okay, ma. What is the can you able to understand what is the mammals? Mammals also high categorized animals. Mammals also one kind of given the birth of young ones, and that means the mammals also it give the feed of milk to babies is called as it say the mammals. This is the one clause of vertebrates. Okay, ma. Can you able to understand, ma? Okay. What is the one activity is there, ma? One lab activity is given in our textbook. What is the internal structure of the mammalian heart? Okay. Already the activities, experiments, these are all to maintain some steps, ma. Some steps are there. What are the steps? Aim, requirement of the materials, procedure, observation. These are all the main steps of the lab activities or experiments. Okay, same in this lab activities also. I give some steps also. I give some explanation all in this lab activity in this internal structure of the mammalian heart. See, the first step is aim. In this activity, the first step is aim. What is the aim is in this activity? The observation.
Observation of the external.
Observation of the internal structure of the mammalian heart. Observation of the internal structure of the mammalian heart. Okay. What is it with taking the requirement of the materials? Under the requirement of the materials also, freshly collected specimen of heart of goat from the Baksha. That means collected from the goat or sheep heart, ma. From the Baksha. నువ్వు ఒక మర్చెంట్ దగ్గర అంటే ఈ యొక్క మాంసం అమ్మేటువంటి వాడి దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి గోట్ కానీ షీప్ కానీ హార్ట్ తీసుకొచ్చుకోవాలి. ఇట్ ఈస్ బౌట్ ఫ్రమ్ ది ఫ్లెష్ specimen for heart from goat or sheep. Okay. Next, another requirement of material is soda straws, sharp and long blade or scalpel, tray, a jug of water, dissection scissors, forceps. These are all requirement of materials in this activity. Okay. What is the main procedure of in this activity? Before coming to the class, wash the heart thoroughly so heart blood is completely drained from the chambers of the heart. Before coming the class, the wash the heart thoroughly and the blood is completely drained from the chambers from heart. అంటే ఏమి ఇంటర్నల్ 4 చాంబర్స్ నుంచి రక్తం యొక్క ఆ రక్తం అంతా కూడా నువ్వు కడిగినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది అది డ్రైన్ అయిపోతుంది. Okay, we observed in this what is the washing before the heart, it has a blood, the heart also 4 chambers, the chambers inside the circulating of the blood observed in this procedure. Okay, take soda straws and insert them and the stumps of the blood vessel. Okay, insert the 2 straws, ma. After, what is the observation? What is the in this activity? What is the observation in this like that? Observe the arrangement of blood vessels on the wall of the heart. That means the straws also it some given the upward and downward. Upward, that means the stars also it show upward. The upward, that means the blood is flowing. The blood is flow to the inside of heart. That in this activity observed the mammalian heart. Okay, I will share one video also. Tyler's always observe, watch this in this video. See, you take the freshly collected specimen of heart of sheep or goat. Okay, this is mammalian heart. Okay. Next, what are the requirement of the materials? See, you will take the flesh out of sheep or goat, soda straws, scalpel, tray, jug of water, dissection scissors, and forceps. These are all requirement of the materials. We'll take the one tray and kept to the mammalian heart is called as sheep or goat. Wash the washing this like that. After kept to the tray. And what is it insert the two straws. The straws is some given the upwards, facing upwards. Place the heart the tray such a way that ventricle side be forcing upwards. Now the take scalpel and open the heart. Such way the chambers are exposed. These chambers are exposed. Already heart has a 4 chambers. What is observed in this activity? It is observed that exposed heart is the form of pear shape with the triangle outline. Inside 4 chambers are there. The 4 chambers, 2 ventricles and 2 auricles and 2 arteries. This also to flow the blood to the all parts of the body, to heart to all parts of the body. And inside the 4 walls are there. The 4 chambers and 4 chambers inside 4 walls are there. Atrioventricular walls and semilunar walls. Bicuspid value, tricuspid value, pulmonary arteric value. Okay, ma? See. Already inside left auricles are left arteries, left auricle, right auricles, right ventricle and left ventricle. These are 4 chambers, ma. These are 4 chambers. Auricles are arteries. Auricles are arteries, that is different, ma. Artery is one kind of blood vessel. Arteria is called as one kind of chamber. Okay. Next, already we know the superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. These are all ventricles, ma. Okay. Next, this is the biggest artery in our all living organisms. Is called aorta, pulmonary artery. Okay. That is pulmonary artery. Also left and right side as there, ma. You see, the blue indicate my pulmonary artery, but it is carried to the deoxygenated blood. Okay, see, once we see in this picture, the 4 chambers, left and right auricles and right and left ventricles, pulmonary artery, pulmonary veins, aorta, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. This is all, ma. These parts also it carry to the blood, ma. Only these parts also, the main functioning is carry to the blood, heart to all parts of the body, all parts of the body to heart. Okay, ma? Can you able to in this watch the video, ma? Understand? Can you able to understand in this video?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Next, I'm going to once again. What is the parts of the internal parts of the heart pump? Already in the learned with in previous class also, ma. Once again, I recall this in this diagram, heart diagram. Tricuspid valve, right ventricle, papillary muscle, aorta, pulmonary artery, left atrium, bicuspid valve, median septum. These are all the main parts of heart, ma. Okay. Next, shall I move to next slide, ma? This is the main topic and a very important topic in this chapter, ma. This also it came the in our examination point of view very important in this topic. All of you listen carefully. All of you observe in this slide. What is the internal structure of heart? Sandhya, are you visible slide, ma?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Internal structure of the heart. The internal structure of the heart is rather intricate with the several chambers and walls and control the flow of blood. Okay, ma? Already inside the heart, chambers are there, walls are there, blood vessels are there. These are all the major parts. It only the functioning of through the blood in the carry to the all parts of the body to heart, heart to all parts of the body. Okay. Next, the main the chambers of the heart. We know already heart has how many chambers are there, ma?
Four chambers.
Four chambers, madam.
Okay. Vertebrate hearts. Vertebrate hearts can be classified based on the number of chambers are present. We know already the that means living organisms also heart is there. Heart have a 4 chambers are there, but different animals different chambers are there, ma. Not in 4. Is not a constant. 4 chambers is not a constant. Only the mammalian animals only it has a 4 chambers are there. But different kinds of the animals are there in our surroundings. I give some examples also. The fish. Fish also one kind of aquatic animal. Only live in water. Okay. The fish have a 2 chambers. The fish has only 2 chambers. Reptiles and amphibians. Reptiles, for example, for lizards, and amphibians, for example, for frog. These are also classes of animals. Don't that means what is the reptiles? What is the amphibians? These are also classes of animal classification. Already in previous classes, 9th and 8th classes also, plants classification and animal classification we all learnt, ma. We already learnt. In this class only, the fish have a only 2 chambers. Reptiles and amphibians have a 3 chambers. Next, avian and mammalian heart. It has a 4 chambers. Avian means one kind. That means birds, different kinds of birds. Avian means different kinds of the birds. Birds also that means mammalian birds. Mammalian birds also has a 4 chambers. Not only all birds, mammalian birds. Okay. Next, humans. Humans also one kind of mammals. Humans also one kind of mammals. Mammals means given birth of young ones. It gives the feed of milk to baby. This is called as mammals. Okay. Humans are mammals, one kind of mammals. The humans also has a 4 chambers are there. Internal the heart has a 4 chambers are there. Okay. What is the namely 4 chambers, ma? Left atrium, right atrium, left ventricle, right ventricle. Listen carefully, ma. Listen carefully, Soumya. Next, left atrium, right atrium, left ventricle, right ventricle. These are all 4 chambers from the heart. How many chambers of the heart?
Four
How many?
chambers.
chamber.
4 chambers are there. What are they?
Left and right arteria,
ventricle,
left and right ventricle.
left ventricle, right ventricle.
Very good. Okay. Next, the arteries and ventricles also the mainly carry to the blood heart to all parts of the body, all parts of the body to heart. So, what is the main function of the arteria? Okay, arteria also 2 types. What is the left and right arteria?
Right arteria.
The arteria are and less muscular walls. Arteria inside thin, less muscular walls. Thin means palachaga. Thin and less muscular walls and smaller than ventricles. Compare the ventricles, the arteria is smaller ma. Ventricles తో పోల్చుకుంటే arteria అనేది చిన్నదిగా ఉంటుంది. Okay. Arteria are thin, less muscular walls and similar than ventricles. Okay. These are all blood receiving chambers. Arteria is called as blood receiving chambers. It is blood receiving chambers that are fed by the large veins. Already veins also it carry to the deoxygenated blood. Okay. That veins it has a arteries are there and veins లో ఏముంటుంది arteries అనే 2 chambers ఉంటుంది. Already arteries and veins also blood vessels కదా. ఈ బ్లడ్ వెజల్స్ ని రక్తాన్ని హార్ట్ నుంచి పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద బాడీకి, పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద బాడీ నుంచి హార్ట్ కి